Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add products to your Wix site. So right now I'm just on my Wix editor site basically, and it's completely blank, and in order to actually start adding products, what you simply need to do is go to the top left corner of your screen and click on add elements right here. What you then need to do is click on search right here, and what you want to do is you want to type in a Wix store just like this. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Wix Stores right here and click on Open. And once you've done that, you can simply click on Add again. Or if you have not added before, you can simply click on Add. Alright, so after a few seconds of loading, we can literally right now see that all our products have already been added to our Wix site. And in order to actually start editing those products, because these are of course mockups, what you simply need to do is hover around this part right here and click on Manage Products. And it will bring you to a page where you can actually start managing those products. Alright, so once you've clicked on that, you will get to this page. And what you can first of all do is just literally delete all of those products, because you don't really need them. You can click on delete, and these are just mockups. What you can also just simply do is click on those three dots, and you can click on edit product, so you don't have to actually delete all of them, and then you can actually start adding your own product. So what you can do is you can add photos, of course, which is really important. You want to give it a name. I'm just going to give mine test. You can add a nice subscription, so test 123. You can add some additional information. You of course need to choose the pricing of your product, so for example $100 or euros. You can add a lot of different things. You can just look around with this, and you can even add stock and inventory and shipping, which is really cool. And of course you can also add payment methods, which is also really cool. Once you've done everything, click on save right here, and once you've done that, it should be creating that product or editing that product for you. And if I right now go here, we can see that this is the product we just edited. And when I right now click on the X right here, we can literally right now see that my product right here just got added. Of course, it's still a mock-up, but yeah, if you customize this really good, it's going to be looking really nice. And that's basically all you need to know in order to how you can actually start adding products to your Wix site. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.